Hello, beautiful people. In our search for pure happiness, we are going to look into the art of meditation. I will guide us through a mindfulness session for the next few minutes. Now I invite you to close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths with me. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Again, inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. As we sit here in communion with nature and each other, you'll notice thoughts racing across your brain. Acknowledge them, but try not to fixate on them. Accept all the noises you hear around you. They aren't distractions. They're simply the natural rhythm of your current space. All you need to do right at this very moment is sit and breathe. Your mind is probably jumping from thought to thought. This is normal. You belong. Don't worry about your racing mind, just focus on your body's breath going in and out. Observe the energy of your breath. When a thought pops into your head, release it and focus on your breathing. Follow the breath in and follow the breath out. Let go of expectations about how this meditation would go and just keep bringing your focus back to your breath. Feel your diaphragm rise and retreat with each passing breath. Connect with the physical sensations of your body. Notice any tension or relaxation. Congratulations on completing a mindfulness meditation. You are now one baby step closer to connecting with the eternal and getting to know yourself better. This wonderful session was brought to you by your creative author, Avery Acquason Lane.